This worker was inspecting a running machine when one wrong move changed everything. Take a look. While checking the rollers, she accidentally placed her hand too close and got pulled in. The machine spun her before stopping. This incident highlights the importance of turning off and isolating machinery before inspection or maintenance. This building deck failed under a concrete pour. These workers were pouring concrete onto a building deck when the entire structure suddenly collapsed under the weight. This emphasizes why structural integrity must be verified by a qualified engineer before applying heavy loads like wet concrete. This worker escaped a falling coil by seconds. This crane's cable snapped while lifting a heavy steel coil. The load crashed to the ground exactly where a worker had been standing moments before. This highlights the critical importance of staying alert and never walking under a suspended load. This worker chose a dangerous method to move a coil. These workers attempted to manually carry a heavy steel coil down a staircase instead of using machinery. They lost their grip, and the coil rolled away, smashing through a glass door and into a car. This shows why mechanical aids must always be used for heavy, awkward loads. This driver pushed his equipment beyond its limits. Watch closely. This forklift attempted to lift and move a load that was clearly beyond its capacity. As it moved, the weight caused it to become unstable and tip over, throwing the driver. This shows why operators must never exceed the rated capacity of their equipment. These workers were carrying out an underground building project when everything went wrong. Watch how it happened. While working below ground, loose sand suddenly gave way, causing a bulldozer above to slide in and cover them. One worker watched as others were covered. This video highlights the need to reinforce excavation walls and keep machinery away from open trenches. This factory worker was moving a huge steel coil with a pulley when something unexpected happened. During a normal factory routine, this worker was guiding a 3,000-kilogram steel coil when it suddenly lost balance and toppled onto him. This video shows why heavy coils must always be secured. This forklift operator was doing his routine job when something he didn't expect happened. Take a look. The man had just positioned the forklift when the tongs caught on an iron bar. As he reversed to pull the load out, the bar snapped loose and struck him. This video shows why operators must check for obstructions when loading. This worker was securing steel loads on a truck when a single mistake turned painful. Watch how it happened. While adjusting chains holding steel beams, one slipped loose, sending a heavy load on the worker. This video highlights the importance of double-checking restraints and avoiding standing beneath unsecured materials. This man was standing at a construction site when a crane lifting a heavy load suddenly gave way. The worker was positioned right beneath the suspended load when the crane's hook failed and the materials fell on him. This video shows why workers shouldn't stand under a lifted load and why cranes must be serviced. What started as a routine feeding of plastic wrapper turned terrifying for this worker. A factory worker was feeding plastic wraps into a machine when he got caught in the wrap and the machine pulled him. This video shows why machines must have safety guards and emergency stops to prevent such tragic accidents. This truck driver reversed toward his colleague, unaware of the danger. The truck driver was backing up, not noticing his colleague directing traffic behind him. The colleague got distracted for a minute and didn't get away on time. This video shows the importance of clear communication for safe vehicle operations in busy work zones.